Something unexpected has just occurred in the entire crypto community. However, it seems like the Shiba Inu development team has been aware of it for quite some time now. While we were all distracted, they were quietly building in silence, and now they are finally ready to roll out their life-saving project. We are getting closer and closer to Shikoshi's vision of onboarding 1 billion people. But what am I talking about? Let's find out. Disclaimer. Recent shocking crypto news has brought the Shiba Inu development team's attention to a major regulatory move. The Indian government has declared a ban on 9 cryptocurrency exchange URLs, with notable platforms such as Binance and Kraken among the affected entities. This decision is part of the government's efforts to regulate and monitor the rapidly growing cryptocurrency market. The ban reflects a broader global trend of increased scrutiny on digital assets as governments seek to address concerns related to financial stability, investor protection, and potential illicit activities. India's move to specifically target certain cryptocurrency exchanges is seen as a measure to exert control over the trading infrastructure and ensure compliance with regulatory standards. This development is likely to have a significant impact on the cryptocurrency landscape in India, prompting both users and industry stakeholders to adapt to the evolving regulatory environment. As the situation unfolds, market participants will closely monitor any further updates or clarifications from the authorities, seeking insights into the government's broader strategy for managing digital assets within the country. Imagine if you were a Shiba Inu investor navigating the volatile world of cryptocurrency. The recent announcement by the Indian government to ban specific crypto exchanges, including major platforms like Binance and Kraken, could directly impact your investment strategy. As an investor in Shiba Inu, one of the cryptocurrencies affected by this regulatory move, you might find yourself grappling with uncertainty and potential disruptions to your trading activities. The ban on these exchanges could limit your ability to buy, sell, or trade Shiba Inu easily, potentially leading to increased market volatility and liquidity challenges. Moreover, the regulatory crackdown may prompt a re-evaluation of your overall investment portfolio, considering the impact on the broader cryptocurrency market. The news might influence your risk appetite and prompt a reassessment of your exposure to Shiba Inu or other digital assets, as regulatory developments can significantly shape market dynamics. And this is where things get interesting. The heightened apprehension within the cryptocurrency community has expanded, as many perceive the recent actions taken by India as just the beginning of a broader trend. The fear now encompasses the belief that other countries may follow suit, implementing similar bans or stringent regulations on cryptocurrency exchanges. The notion that India's regulatory measures are a precursor to a more widespread trend is rooted in the historical tendency of regulatory actions to influence and inspire decisions in other jurisdictions. Cryptocurrency markets are highly interconnected, and developments in one major economy often prompt policymakers in other nations to re-evaluate their stance on digital assets. The fear of a domino effect is driven by the understanding that governments worldwide are closely monitoring the evolution of the cryptocurrency landscape. Concerns about financial stability, investor protection, and the potential misuse of digital assets for illicit activities have led regulators to consider proactive measures. As a result, the perceived precedent set by India's actions may encourage other nations to take similar steps in the interest of safeguarding their financial systems. For crypto enthusiasts, this fear translates into a heightened sense of uncertainty about the future regulatory landscape. The possibility of multiple countries adopting restrictive measures raises concerns about the continued growth and development of the cryptocurrency ecosystem. It also underscores the need for stakeholders in the crypto space to remain vigilant and adapt to evolving regulatory dynamics. In simple terms, if other countries follow India's lead, it could signify the end of the crypto era. In the wake of this news, a noticeable shift has occurred. As people increasingly gravitate towards decentralization, the growing sentiment suggests a collective inclination toward embracing decentralized alternatives, prompted by the uncertainties and regulatory concerns surrounding traditional centralized cryptocurrency exchanges. And this is exactly where Shiba Inu steps in. Within the Shiba Inu community, Discussions frequently revolve around the concept of decentralization. Team members consistently emphasize that decentralization is a key focal point guiding the trajectory of Shiba Inu. This underscores the project's commitment to fostering a decentralized ecosystem, aligning with the broader philosophy of distributed and community-driven governance in the world of cryptocurrencies. However, centralized exchanges still maintain their popularity, and there are a multitude of reasons for this. One significant factor is the familiarity they offer to users accustomed to traditional financial systems. The user-friendly interfaces, intuitive functionalities, and streamlined onboarding processes make centralized exchanges more accessible, particularly for those new to the cryptocurrency space. Moreover, centralized exchanges boast high levels of liquidity, enabling swift and efficient trading of various assets. This liquidity is attractive to traders seeking quick execution of orders and minimal slippage. Additionally, centralized exchanges often support a wide array of cryptocurrencies, providing users with a comprehensive selection to trade and invest in. However, amidst the popularity of centralized exchanges, it's crucial to acknowledge the existence of decentralized alternatives. These decentralized exchanges operate on blockchain networks, offering users greater control over their funds. Decentralized alternatives prioritize principles such as privacy, censorship resistance, and community-driven governance. In the face of regulatory uncertainties and challenges faced by investors, exploring decentralized options becomes a strategic move for individuals looking to navigate the evolving landscape of cryptocurrency regulations more seamlessly. If you weren't aware, in addition to Shibarium, which has been a huge success, we also have shibaswap, a completely decentralized exchange. This means it operates on blockchain technology, facilitating direct peer-to-peer trading of cryptocurrencies without reliance on a central authority. In light of the ongoing challenges faced by investors in India, shibaswap's decentralized nature offers distinct advantages. Decentralization is a key feature affording users complete ownership and control over their assets. This stands in contrast to centralized exchanges, mitigating concerns associated with potential regulatory changes. In times of uncertainty or regulatory scrutiny, maintaining control over one's funds becomes paramount. Interestingly, the recent announcement by Shiba Inu developers about shibaswap too adds a layer of intrigue to the situation. This new product, touted as a completely upgraded version of shibaswap, suggests a proactive response to the evolving global regulatory landscape. It implies that the developers may be privy to insider information indicating that the current ban in India might not be an isolated incident. The preparation of shibaswap too signals the developers' foresight and readiness to adapt to evolving circumstances. By upgrading the platform, they aim to position shibaswap to seamlessly accommodate the anticipated surge in investors seeking refuge in the Shiba Inu ecosystem. This strategic response underscores the agility of Shiba Inu developers in navigating the complex and rapidly changing regulatory environment surrounding cryptocurrencies. The expected surge of investors into the Shiba Inu ecosystem, prompted by regulatory changes and the potential blocking of centralized exchanges in multiple countries, could have a positive impact on the Shiba Inu crypto price. This influence stems from several interrelated dynamics. Firstly, an influx of new investors seeking decentralized options like shibaswap may generate heightened demand for Shiba Inu tokens. With a limited supply, increased demand often leads to upward pressure on the cryptocurrency's price. Do you remember when Satoshi Kusama mentioned that the Shiba Inu team is planning to onboard billions of new users into the Shiba Inu ecosystem? At first, we approached it skeptically, but now, day by day, it's becoming increasingly evident that it wasn't just a joke or something trivial. But what do you think about that? Comment down below your thoughts. And with that, we come to the end of this video. If you enjoyed it, please like this video and don't forget to leave a comment in the comment section. This really helps with the YouTube algorithm. Also, please share this video with as many people as possible. Let's get this news out there.